Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox this ISDT ESC70 electronic speed control. ISDT is well known for their battery chargers. I have one. And this is their entry into the brushed ESC market. I've heard good things about it, how it has the same functions as the Hobbywing 1080, but at a fraction of the price. I've also heard the control app is very buggy, but I believe that problem is fixed now. So let's take a look at the box and see what's inside. The box cover has a line drawing, and right here says powerful charging made easy. On the side it says 70 amp output current, and that's pretty much it. On the back it gives you the full name of ISDT, some of their certifications, a barcode, and then a QR code here in the corner. Alright, let's cut it open and see what's inside. This is a nice box. It's made of satin finish cardstock. It feels very solid. And the first thing we see when we open it is the instruction manual. It looks like it's in Chinese and English. Let me set that aside first. And this is what the ESC looks like. It's very sleek. It comes with this big round on-off switch. Let me see if I can get this out without tearing the box. There we go. And let's take a look at the on-off switch. It's nicely made, it's solid, but I think it's only one position. And here's the ESC itself. Like I said before, it's very sleek, minimalist. It feels like it's well made. Back here is just some technical specs, what kind of battery can be used, and the BEC output. Both the power and motor wires do not have connectors. It gives you more flexibility, but it's more prep work. I'm sure the manual will have dimensions, but I'm just curious. The width is about 31 millimeters. The length, let's call that 37, 38. And the height is, let's call that 17 millimeters. I think this is just a little bit bigger than the Hobbywing 1080. And it also comes with a bag of accessories. Let's open it up. There's a 3-pin connector cable for the receiver. And there are 2 ports on the ESC. One is for the receiver and one for the switch. If you're going to solder the connectors, it comes with heat shrink tubes. These are the motor connector covers. And these are the crimp style motor connectors. You don't have to use them, you can choose to solder instead. Alright, let's go back to the instruction manual. If you wear reading glasses, you'll definitely need them. On top here it says thank you for purchasing ISDT ESC70. In the middle are the warnings and safety tips. And on the bottom are the specifications. The continuous and peak current, motor type, application, batteries, BEC output, wire connectors, the dimensions. Looks like I was pretty close. And the weight. On this side are the features, fully waterproof design for all conditions, advanced electronic switch and Bluetooth 2-in-1 module, support real-time operating parameters and status via ISD Go app, built-in BEC with adjustable output features, adjustable PWM frequency, adjustable active drag brake function, multiple protection functions, infinitely adjustable throttle acceleration, customizable startup sound, OTA upgrade firmware, slope anti-skid locking function. A lot of those are crawler features that compete with the 1080. On the bottom it tells you how to set up the ESC. The motor wires are reversible, And there's a warning here about the BEC and the receiver. On the next page, there is a connection diagram. There's a warning here about reverse polarity, so be careful when you're attaching the connectors. Over here, there's a diagram for the ports. So we hold it this way, the top one's for the switch and the bottom one's for the receiver. Down here, it talks about the ESC setup. On this side, on the top, there's a flow chart on calibrating the throttle. And this bottom part talks about how to set up and use the ISD Go app. Operation mode, low voltage protection, BEC voltage, motor rotation, PWM frequency, starting force, brake force, active drag brake level, ramp anti-skid lock, active brake enable, and throttle curve. And the other side is all Chinese. So that's the ISDT ESC70 user manual. So this is definitely meant to be a 1080 killer. It's cool that you can program it using an app rather than that clunky program box. I'm going to install the app and try to show you what it's like. And I will definitely put this ESC to the test against a 1080. So thanks for watching this video. Click that like button below. Subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys in the next one.